Hi, today I'm going to talk about the tool in Google Docs called voice typing, which is Google Docs' built-in speech-to-text feature. This feature allows you to type with your voice, as well as select your text, format your document, edit the document, add and edit tables, move around your document, stop and resume voice typing, open help, and use the speak features of Google Docs. So it's basically just a way that you can use speech to text and voice commands to use Google Docs. So for accessibility, this tool is available to everybody who uses Google Docs in Chrome. You do have to use a Chrome browser, but if you have a Google account, you can use it. And it is available via the tools menu. So if you click the tools menu here and then you go down and you click voice typing, it will bring up this menu. And then you simply click this button and it will turn on and start recording what you say. Period. Moving on to content, this tool supports writing for those who are blind, those who have difficulty holding writing utensils or using a keyboard and are able to speak, period. It also supports English language learners, and as there's over 100 languages available that works with this tool. So as you can see, over 100 languages there. Lots of options. As for user friendliness, navigation to open it and start it is very easy. Navigation while you're using it is a little bit harder. Using all of the commands takes time to figure out how they work and remember what they are and to get the inflection right so that it will do the command. The writing part is very easy. As you saw, it just started saying what I was writing, or it started writing what I was saying. You are also able to go in with your mouse and fix any issues. So you could change a period to an exclamation point or anything like that. So user friendliness, it's easy to use. You just have to get used to it. Also, the gray underlining that you can see here, it will offer suggestions for maybe homophones, or if it wants to it can offer symbols and suggest buttons, and so there's lots of options. For help options, there's a little question mark here, and it will bring up the help menu that gives you all of this information. It'll tell you how to start it. It'll tell you how to add punctuation, and then it gives you a whole long list of the voice commands that you can use. So for example, here's all of the things that you can select using voice typing, which is really useful and helpful. You can also open this in a separate page in a new window if that's easier. And if neither of those help you, you can also do some Google searches or some YouTube searches. There are lots of videos available on YouTube for helping with voice typing. And finally, for the management features, there aren't really any features to customize your experience with voice typing. You can't really change how fast it types for you or how fast you can speak. You do get your visual feedback as it writes out what you want. it to, or what it's hearing you say. And that's just because of the nature of speech to text. But really, the ease of use of this product depends on how much you practice with it and use it. You can't change the response times manually, but the more you use voice typing, the more familiar you are with it, and you figure out how fast you need to speak, and it also makes the program easier to understand you. So I do recommend this tool. If I wouldn't say this is something that you want to use all the time for all of your writing. If you're writing all day, every day, you might want to look into a different tool for that. But if you're on occasion needing speech to text, this would be a great tool for it. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.